Mrs. Revere, Supreme Inspector, Grand Worthy Advisor Sydney, Mrs. Jacket as Supreme Worthy Advisor, Supreme family members, distinguished East, Rainbow Girls, and friends. Good morning, California.
Good morning.
I just don't understand why you girls are not more enthusiastic. Pick up your spirit a little bit and let's enjoy ourselves. What a pleasure it has been here so far with you young ladies and adults. I've had so much fun, and I just love everybody's smiles, and even though I'm from the South, you have the nice Southern hospitality about you. I have thoroughly enjoyed the Broadway-bound A Glittering Marquee of 2023 Grand Assembly. Since I have arrived, everyone has been so kind and so helpful and so welcoming. And I just appreciate all the courtesies that have been extended to me since I've been here. The young lady and her mother, Maddie and Mitzi, that picked me up from the airport the other evening, after we learned that my luggage didn't make it with me, they decided to stay in Texas, Fort Myers, Texas. Finally got it, but they were so wonderful about bringing me to the airport, back here to the hotel. But Maddie gave me this bag. Maddie, where are you, sweetheart? There she is. Maddie gave me this bag, and she said, they have everybody sign this bag, and there's 3 markers in the bag. And with the permission, I'd like to do it on the Grand Recorder's desk. I'd like for everyone to come and sign this bag. That way I can take a little bit of you back to North Carolina. Although we're small in attendance today, I'd like to introduce the 3 people that have traveled from North Carolina. Will they please stand? First of all, with me is Katie Michelle Kane. Katie is Mother Advisor of Greensboro Assembly number 23. And is a former Rainbow Girl in California, and she was a member of Corona Assembly number 226. Her 2 daughters are also with us, Marissa and Simone. I'm sorry, Shanna. We left Simone at home. This is Shanna. Marissa is brand representative in North Carolina to California. From Lancaster Assembly. I want to thank these 3 ladies for traveling with me this week, but most of all, for supporting me all these years of Rainbow back home. Katie is a very talented young woman, or she is a girl, but you know, but she can come up with more ideas than Santa Claus and God else. She is just incredibly talented, and she's trained her 2 daughters also, so I'll be working her to death, get ready for Supreme Assembly in 24. But thank you, ladies, for being with me this week. My North Carolina girls always and have always called me Mrs. K. So I would appreciate you if you would call me Mrs. K. That's an old Southern thing. And I don't have a draw, so call me. But please call me Mrs. K, and I'm a hugger. I don't like to shake hands. I'm a hugger. So a hug and Mrs. K is what I expect. Grand Worthy Advisor Sydney, your session decorations are absolutely beautiful. And I hope you have had a wonderful year this past year, and all your accomplishments have come true. It is just delightful to be with you today and the next 2 days. I hope that this year is full of memories that will last you a lifetime and fill your pot of gold. Sometime during the next session or two, I'm not sure which session yet, Ashley will be using my Bible on the altar, and I consider that an honor, and I appreciate her doing this for me. I do love your dresses. They are so sparkly, and I am a sparkly person. In fact, in my house around Christmas time, the entire family was wrapped up in glitter. Even the dog, she had glitter in her fur. But it took me until about April to get all the glitter on the carpet. And then it was time to start getting ready for Christmas again. You couldn't leave my house unless you had a little piece of glitter on your face somewhere. My service project this year has been Purses of Empowerment. This is a project that may seem small to you, but it's very helpful to ladies that have had to leave their homes due to domestic situations and have to seek shelter somewhere. These pocketbooks are filled with items to help them get through the day: toothbrush, toothpaste, hair comb, hairbrush, personal items like that. And I appreciate you participating in this, because a lot of ladies, this is the only thing that they have that they can call their own, and it belongs to them, and no one can take that away from them. And so with your love and devotion in this project, you are helping a lot of women to get the security to go out and face tomorrow. Grand Nature, I want to compliment you on your lovely speech yesterday. I listened to every single word. I just hung on it. And what you were saying is so true, that we are strong women. We are on our own. And we can face anything by ourselves because we are strong women. During the next 2 years, I am having a membership drive, and I was tickled to see how many Rainbow Girls you had initiated last year, and I'm glad to see there's going to be 4 this week. I have a membership bracelet to show so people can see what you have accomplished these next 2 years. For every new member that a Rainbow Girl brings in, she gets a red high heel, and that's my logo, is a red high heel. And for all 20 hours that you do in service community, you'll get a colored high heel, starting with orange, yellow, green, etc., etc. You don't have to already have a red high heel before you can start working on your community high heels. But we do want to fill the bracelet up with lots of red high heels to enlarge our grand assembly, enlarge our rainbow. And when you go out and talk to girls, say to them, this is what Rainbow has meant to me. You think in your heart, if I didn't have Rainbow, where would I be today? What lessons has it given me in life? Our Rainbow lessons go with us through our entire journey. And even someone my age, I still rely on my Rainbow teachings to help me get through some dark days. We all do. But share your love with Rainbow and encourage these girls to join, knowing what it has done for you since you have joined Rainbow. Our Supreme Assembly will be held in Hampton, Virginia on July the 17th and the 24th, 2024. Since We are having to go back to Virginia where we were buried in 2018. We know this is a wonderful venue, and it's welcoming to all of us, and I hope that a lot of you will be able to attend. Again, Mrs. Regier, Grand Worthy Advisor, Sydney, and everyone, thank you for your loving welcome and all the kind things that have been done for me and my North Carolina group. As we leave this weekend and return to our homes, let the love of Rainbow fill your heart, reach out to others, and show them love, kindness, respect, and service. Remember, we are Rainbow Sisters not by blood, but by love. Thank you again for sharing this weekend with me. I pray for traveling mercies for each of you as you return to your respectful homes. Thank you.